Hello. Hello, my friends. Good morning. I'm Novita Renanda and my partner's name Rahayu Saimaiswara. Today I would like to make a review toward my partner's metric review and her research question formula. But first of all, Rahayu and I already did brief discussion through voice note in the personal chat using WhatsApp. And we had discussed about several things uh, to clarify confusion exists toward both our topic by questioning to each other so that we be able to comprehend the topic well. Now I would like to start a review on Rahayu's work. Here, Rahayu's topic interest is about teacher assessment literacy. It is about the teacher's knowledge and comprehension toward assessment. Whether the teacher already have enough knowledge and comprehension about it, or the teacher still have lack knowledge about assessment itself. And here is the problem stated by Rahayu. Um, Rahayu says that there is a discrepancy between assessment theory and government policy about curriculum expectation with its practice. So from this problem, I had a gap. It is about what is the factor which affect on the discrepancy between assessment theory and government policy. And I have asked about this to Rahayu, and she said that that is because the government have a high expectation toward the teacher's ability on assessing students using authentic assessment. Where here, the government expected that the teacher use theory and assessment as their orientation. But unfortunately, the teacher did not implement it well. So there is inappropriate assessment implementation because the teacher did not fulfill the criterion of assessment theory properly. So Rahayu wants to prove the discrepancy between assessment theory and government policy about assessment expectation with its practice in today's situation. To make sure that this issue is true, Rahayu have said to me that she prepared to have some observation through doing some interview and questionnaire to know the teacher assessment literacy level. Therefore, here, Rahayu wants to know how is the assessment's application based on the teacher assessment literacy in the certain school, at the certain school, I mean. Um, Here, Rahayu curious to know in the senior high school grade. So here I also have Rahayu about her research participant. I asked whether Rahayu's participant are from pre-supervised teacher or the qualified teacher or both of them. Then Rahayu clarifies to me that her research participant is only from qualified teachers. Um, and besides, Rahayu wants to know about how the assessment application based on the teacher assessment literacy. Uh, she also wants to know the impact of teachers' assessment literacy towards students' performance in the learning process. I have asked Rahayu about students' performance. I asked how Rahayu will get the data about it, whether Rahayu wants to get the data from students' perception or just through looking for student scores in the learning process. And Rahayu said that she will looking from the student score in the learning process to know how the teacher's assessment literacy impact on their performance. Also, I have asked Rahayu if she wants to know the assessment application based on the assessment literacy can impact students' performance. Is there any relation between teaching strategy implemented by the teacher with the assessment use? I mean, if the assessment use is matched or suitable with the teaching strategy implemented, uh, does it will be one of the factors that can impact on the student's performance. But Rahayu said that teaching strategy is not a part of an aspect in Rahayu's research. So yeah, never mind, keep it up, Rahayu. And therefore, Rahayu came with these research questions. The first one is about how is the assessment application based on the assessment literacy on senior high school English language teaching in Bali. Second, is there any discrepancy between assessment theory and government policy about assessment expectation? Here I have question, I have gap. How about the factors involved? So here I would like to give Rahayu suggestion to consider about any factors involved about discrepancy between assessment theory and government policy. And the third is about how could the teacher assessment literacy impact the students' performance and the promotion of learning. Here I would like to know about what kind of students' performance does Rahayu mean? Is that about students' learning motivation or learning outcomes or others? So I suggest Rahayu to specify it later on. And for Rahayu's literature review metric, I have read them all briefly through Rahayu's important note. And those sources are very complete each other, I think. But from those all, I curious in the eight sorts here entitled Uncovering Assessment Literacy of Elementary Teacher in Singaraja, Bali. Here, the focus of the study is to see the differences between teachers' assessment literacy in upper classes and lower classes. Okay, I has a gap here. Do the teachers who teach in the lower classes, for the example, teach young learners, will have a significant difference on the way they comprehend and understand about the assessment itself. Because I think that the teachers who teach in the upper classes will be more complicated to understand about the assessment because the learning material also very complex compared with the lower classes. So maybe Rahayu can start a brief explanation about how teacher assessment literacy in upper classes and lower classes differ. And also, I'm curious with the last sources entitled "Exploring in Surface Tail Teachers Assessment Literacy Implication for Continuing Professional Development." Here, here, the teacher said that it was complicated to assess their students. So it is basically contradicting with my previous gap on the age sources. I said that I think that the teacher who teach in the upper classes will be more complicated to understand about the assessment because the learning material also very complex compared with the lower classes. So I think Rahayu also need to give a brief explanation of it to give the reader, in this case me, uh, prior knowledge about it. Okay. I think that's all about my review toward Rahayu's work. Is there any mistake? I do apologize. Thank you.